that you
For instituting to the holy priesthood.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For setting me apart to work for the kingdom of God.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the privilege of serving your holy church.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the grace of preaching.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the honor of pastoring your people.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the capacity to teach the faith.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the power to baptize.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the honor of being able to witness marriages.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the joy of bringing healing to the sick and consolation to the dying.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the miracle of being able to say, this is my body.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the wonder of the words, I absolve you from your sins.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For all the ways I act in persona Christi.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For making me a man of prayer.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For consecrating my hands for sacrifice.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For priestly paternity.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For proposing me despite my unworthiness as an example of holiness.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For making me capable of offering counseling.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For priestly fraternity.
Lord, you know that I love you.
For the strength you provide in times of trial and distress.
Lord, you know